హాయ్ హలో నమస్తే. మీరు చూస్తున్నారు కిషోర్ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ హబ్ యూట్యూబ్ ఛానల్. ఇంటర్వ్యూ క్వశ్చన్ అండ్ ఆన్సర్స్ వీడియో సిరీస్లో ఇది 5th వీడియో. ఇంతకుముందు వీడియోస్ చూడకపోతే ప్లేలిస్ట్లో వెళ్ళి చూడగలరు. ఫస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ వచ్చేసి, వాట్ ఆర్ ది సిగ్నల్ టు నాయిస్ రేషియో లిమిట్స్ ఆఫ్ ఎల్ఓడి అండ్ ఎల్ఓక్యూస్ ఇన్ అనలిటికల్ మెథడ్ validation in HPLC? The answer is LOD. Limit of detection S/n is not less than 3. LOQ. Limit of quantification S/n is not less than 10. Second question వచ్చేసి, what is the USP general chapter number of UV spectroscopy ultraviolet visible? The answer is USP general chapter number is 857. Third question వచ్చేసి, how many regions in mid-IR spectroscopy? The answer is 2 regions. First one is fingerprint region, second one is functional group region. Fourth question వచ్చేసి, how many phases in analytical instrument qualifications? The answer is every analytical instrument has 4 qualification phases. First one DQ, design qualification, IQ, installation qualification, OQ, operational qualification, PQ, performance qualification. Fifth question వచ్చేసి, what is the reverse phase chromatography in HPLC? The answer is reverse phase chromatography is chromatographic technique where the stationary phase is non-polar and the mobile phase is polar with water. Sixth question వచ్చేసి, which solvents are using in KF titration? The answer is first one methanol, second one diethylene glycol monomethyl ether. Seventh question వచ్చేసి, what do we use for IR calibration? The answer is polystyrene film. Eighth question వచ్చేసి, what is the range of UV and visible spectroscopy? The answer is ultraviolet UV region 200 to 400 nanometers and visible light region 400 to 800 nanometers. Ninth question వచ్చేసి, which is weak base? The answer is ammonium hydroxide. 10th question వచ్చేసి, what is the drug regulatory agency in India? The answer is the Central Drug Standard Control Organization, CDSCO. Its headquarters in New Delhi.